How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we're going to be doing a Kegel workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the exercise that we're going to do today is going to be side clams. This is my top 3 favorite exercise for Kegel. My top favorite one is leg openings, then glute bridge, and then, it goes leg opening, side clam, then I would say like glute bridges or something like that. So those are my top 3 favorite. Let's get started. We'll do 10 reps, 10 sets, 100 total repetitions. So quite a bit of volume. Let's get started. We're gonna be in this position, and then all we're gonna do is go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, just like that. Not too bad to do, pretty easy. And yeah, we'll just do 100 repetitions, then we would be good. Video that I'm making after this is going to be jawline, and then I'm doing a forearm video. So this is my 5th video of the day. I'm absolutely killing it, feeling pretty motivated. After these 2 videos, or after the jawline and the forearm, it will put me at 7 videos. Then I finish with a push-up video and a pelvic floor video. So killing it. And then later on today, I'll make another 6 to 9 videos. By me doing 15 to 18 videos on the weekend, by me doing this, it's gonna, if I do this for 4 weeks, including the 9 videos I do during the week, then I will be an extra 1 month ahead, not including the other 2 months I'm gonna be ahead. So I'll be 3 months ahead of the game. In 1 month. In 1 month, I will be 3 months ahead. And I'm already 2 months ahead. So next month, I should be 5 months ahead. And then after that, I will be 8 months ahead, and then 11 months. So by the end of, let's see here. So by the end of February, I should be able to be the end of April, May, June. If that works out. I'm just trying to do the math here. 36, 54, 36. Yeah, 90 videos, 360 videos, so 4 months. So by the end of February, I'll be April, May, June. By the end of March, I'll be July, August, September. By the end of April, October, November, December. Yeah. So by the end of April, I should be done for all of this year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I think once I do that, I'll probably take a whole week off, just regroup, and then start again. What I would like to do, if I keep doing this, which it might be, it's not going to be hard to continue doing it on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It's going to be tough to continue doing it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, those 4 days, because right now the work is not as busy. I'm still getting paid full hours, but in the summertime, it does get a little bit busier. So I might not be able to make the 9 videos per day. So that might drop a little bit. But by the end of April, it should still be pretty slow, or not as busy. So by the end of April, I should still be able to finish the whole year off. Which, I mean, that's crazy. Can you imagine not making videos for May, June, July, August, September, October, November, 8 months ahead of schedule? Like, that's freaking insane. And then what I would hope to do is May, June, July, August, be done all of 2021. September, October, November, December, be all done 2022. That would be freaking dope. Be ahead of schedule by the end of the year by 2 years. Like, are you kidding me? Not having to make videos for 2 years. I'd still make videos, or I'd just get bored. But yeah, that's a ton of videos to make. again, each month I can, if I keep this up, I can make 360 videos per month. So in a year, that's 3,672. That's 3,672, 720, 36, 72, like 4,400 videos in a year if I did this for all year. That's equivalent to 4 years. Could you imagine like not working, like just doing this full time and doing it for like a year or two? You'd be like 8 years ahead. You wouldn't have to make videos for 8 years. Could you imagine? That'd be so dope. I love this exercise. This exercise is one of my favorites. I like leg openings better, but then it goes side climbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what's kind of cool about my channel that's different than other channels is what people do is like people get more views than me per video, but because I make so many workout tutorials and so many videos per day, like a lot of fitness YouTubers, they make one video. Some make one video every day, but very, very few do that. Most of them make one video every 2 to 3 to 4 days. So in a week, they might make anywhere from 2 to 4 videos a week. In a week, I'm making 21 videos. And then if you count that in a year, they might make like 150 videos in a year. I'll make 1,100 videos in the year. So what that does for me is that just gives me more opportunities for videos to go viral and allows me to really rack up the views and the subscribers. Because again, 1,100 videos versus 150. And the thing is, even if a video doesn't go viral, it still earns me views because they stay on YouTube. Like, it's passive income. If you guys know what passive income is, that's just money that you get from doing a little to like nothing. It's there. You get it every year. It's passive income. So I think it's better to make more videos than to just make a couple. Yeah, there's gonna be people that make one video a week that get like 2 million views per video, but I'm not really. There are, I think, 1 or 2 YouTubers that I know that get that many views for fitness. The rest of a lot of the fitness YouTubers that I watched when I was growing up, like when I was 18, 19, a lot of them, when I was 18, 19, and then when I was 24, 25, and all those years, I am starting to pass a lot of those YouTubers for not only subscribers, but for views. And in the next year, I should be at about 300,000 subscribers, and then the year after that I should be at about 600, 700,000 subscribers if stuff keeps progressing the way it is, which I think it will, because I'm only getting more and more videos. So the more videos you got, the more chances you can get more views and subscribers. That's the way that I look at it. And yeah, that's what has been working for me, because a lot of these YouTubers, their channels are kind of dying because they don't really make any more videos. And by only making one video a week, because that's what happens, a lot of them make one video every 2 or 3 days, and then what happens is their channel doesn't do as well, so then they start slacking off and they make one video every week, one video every 2 weeks. Then that comes to 52 videos a year if you make one video per week, and I'm making 1,100. No matter how slow my channel gets, I'm still making 3 videos per day, because eventually what happens is it goes back up. So, and then it goes crazy. Like, there's so many YouTubers that their channel has just been like decent, then boom, like unreal. So yeah, end of video. thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. And again, I'm averaging anywhere from 10 to 15,000 new subscribers a month. So I welcome all you new guys for watching the channel. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.